Okay, so the next kanji is kyo, or in onyomi called tomo. It means share. So you have seen this kanji probably. It reads kyoyu, kyoyu, which means share. So for example, if you look at your Facebook page on a Japanese language Facebook or other SNS, social media network, you can see these two kanjis which means share. You can also see this kanji, kyoyu ketsugo, kyoyu ketsugo. So it means you share both bonds. So what do you share in the bonds is the electron. So it refers to the covalent bond. So it's a bond that shares electron from one atom to another atom. The next kanji is yu, or aru, aru. So this one means exist. Okay, so you have kyoyu ketsugo, the one in the previous slide, which means covalent bond. The other example is yudoku, yudoku. It means it has poison, which means poisonous. So for example, if this medicine is poisonous or not, if this food is poisonous or not, yudoku desu ka? This one has color. So yushoku, yushoku. It means it has colors. The next kanji is kin, or kane, kane. It means gold, metal. In economics, it shows money. Okay, so we can see here in the first one is kinzoku, kinzoku. Kinzoku means metal in general. So we have metal substances, metal elements, and non-metal. We can call it in kinzoku. Zoku here means family. So the family of gold, for the family of metal. Okay, kinzoku. Then we have kinzoku ketsugo, kinzoku ketsugo, which means the metallic bond, metallic bond here. The other one is hakkin, hakkin. This one is white gold or white metal. It shows platinum. Okay, so later in you have to remember and you have to memorize the new kanji for each elements. So for example, later I will show you for copper, for bronze, for silver, for lead, and etc. The next kanji is Ryoku, or Riki. In onyomi, you can read it as chikara. So it means power or strength. So you have the first one is denryoku, denryoku. Denryoku means electrical power. Okay, electrical power. So electric and power. The next one will be bunshi kanryoku, bunshi kanryoku. So bunshi means molecule. Okay, the smallest part that are separate are molecules. Kan, this one means the between. So between the molecules. And this is the power, the strength. So what is bunshi kanryoku means is the intermolecular force. Okay, the force between the molecule, bunshi kanryoku. The next one is rikigaku, rikigaku. Okay, this one is the study of power or mechanics. So in the first chapter of physics is commonly mechanics. So we will have rikigaku lesson later in the physics class. Okay. The next one is easy. Sui, or mizu. This one means water. So we have the first one is suiso. Suiso. Okay, this is the element of water, which means hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen, not H2O, but hydrogen. So suiso. Okay, the Japanese language of hydrogen is suiso. Then we have suiso ketsugo. Suiso ketsugo. Okay, suiso ketsugo means hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond. The next one is suiyo-eki. Suiyo-eki. Okay, this one means water. The second one, yo, later I'll show you. This one means solve, dissolve. Eki means liquid. So yo-eki here means the liquid that contains something inside, dissolve inside, which means solution. And suiyo-eki is the solution with water, which means aqueous solution. Okay,